Àtọpọlọ àti kọ̀ǹkọ̀. What differences?
Darling, was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion, creating practical solutions. Fuji house of commotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect the spectral union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion, catering practical solutions. A Fuji house of commotion, peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Àtọpọlọ àti kọ̀ǹkọ̀. What differences?
Open the gate now. Salika, are you rioting again?
Mbano, they are fornicating the house. And so they say nobody to enter the house until 6:30.
Why they keep our food?
Check here.
What's wrong?
Foolish men.
See, Abu. Hey. How far now? What happened now?
They are fumigating the house. That is why they say we should wait and start till after 6.
This must be planned by Mom CP not to give us our lunch.
This is an opportunity for me to hit the neighbor there. Bolaji. Mufu. Lati. Aboki. Aboki.
Where are you going now? Rabi, I will tell you. I will tell.
You will tell?
Yes, I will tell.
Do you need transport money to do something?
You are talking to me, Rabi. Hey, what's funny? What's funny? Shut up, John. You know he's going to pull at the same by something. Shut me up.
I'll tell you. Okay. You see.
I don't like trekking.
You guys don't trust me.
It's not like that. Hungry is worrying me. There's no. I'm just speechless.
Check this out. What? Indomie mobile kitchen.
No cash.
Cash. Who says we need cash? You guys are just following. Let's plan.
Hey,
we're destitute, okay? We're from motherless babies home. Just follow me. You are blind.
Okay.
You are deaf and dumb. Oh yeah, just line up. Follow me. Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Now come on, man. Oh, now you know what blind people go through. Shh, you guys, we're almost there. So act, we're almost there. What do it? Well.
What's happening?
I want more. We want food and Indomie.
Extra plate.
We are very hungry. We don't have money. Please. We are very hungry, please.
Hey, they're coming. I told you, I said four, Abi. Hey, we are four now. Act.
Thank you.
It works.
Shh, let's run before they catch us. Cross. I told you guys to do work, eh? Look, you have to be smart, eh?
I can't wait to win.
Check it out now. It's not bad though.
Hold it! You are under arrest. You're under arrest.
We didn't do anything. We didn't do. They say we should come out because of fumigation. Fumigation. They were fumigating our house.
You are from destitute out.
No. We have a father now.
Taking us to your house.
We have a father. This way.
My friend, if I catch you there.
What are you doing? This is your father? Alright, you get back to my father, that's it. What did we didn't do anything?
Keep quiet. Hold them. Good day, sir. I said keep quiet. Good day, sir.
Good day.
We got a tip-off that someone is using some children to do menial jobs. And then we saw these children roaming the streets. Are they yours?
These are my children.
All of them?
Yes, all of them. These are their mothers.
Yes.
God, do you have evidence?
What evidence?
I gave birth to all these children.
My friend, my beg you friend. Who are you to question the fatherhood of my children?
Yes. Honey, there's no harm in asking you. Do you know how many freeloaders are carrying along?
Just shut up your mouth. Shut your mouth. Pray that they don't arrest Chief for overloading. Because if they do, this house will not contain me and you. And no fear.
You will go and join him as co-tenant in the cell.
Do you know that your children were constituting themselves into nuisance on the street?
No, but
Chief. Chief,
After the fumigate, it is only one small chinchilli rat that I find. So therefore, you are still owing me 2,000 naira. So, because why? My rat is not a small rat. It's a giant of all rats. What am I going to do?
Sir, who is this?
He's my tenant.
Your tenant. Did he just talk about rats?
Look, that was the cause of the fumigation. We all had to stay outside for the poison to go. The rat ran into the sitting room.
Okay. Mr. Man, do you breed rats in this compound?
No, sir.
You don't? Then how did you come about that rat in question?
The rat crossed the border from another compound into the boys' quarter that I stay with my family. So we pursue it. It's bush meat.
Mr. Man, do you know that for the rat to run into your place, it shows that the environment is very conducive for it?
How many rooms do you live in?
1.5. That is 1 room and a corridor.
How many children do you have?
11.
11. Mr. Man, I'm afraid you are under arrest for child abuse.
Please, sir. Hey, I don't know, no? So if you call your pekin stupid, foolish, and all that, so you arrest the person.
We are arresting you for raising children in untidy and unhealthy environment. Also for breeding rats that spread diseases. In fact, dangerous diseases for that matter.
I beg you, because when you were, it's not. This is bushmeat.
Look, Mr. Man, identify yourself. Yes.
Me.
You're questioning our authority.
I said, look, who gave you the right to come here and start asking all these nonsense, miscellaneous questions?
Chief, we are social welfare officers.
Social giving? In which country? Chief, these people are criminals. 419. Yes, they want to GBT some money from us. So call the police.
Yes.
I am here to arrest all of you.
Huh? Kai, illiteracy is just an accident waiting to happen.
Carol!
It is you that shut up there.
You see what you have caused now? Please, you see what you have caused now? Welfare officer, forgive my foolish wife. She has never heard of you. In fact, I thought that you were no more around, that you have gone into oblivion and extinction.
Oh, we are very much around.
I doubt that very much. I doubt it. Because if you are very much around, then you will not be worrying about my children who have a roof over their heads here. Where there are thousands of children roaming the streets with no place to sleep and no food to eat.
Yes.
Mommy, welcome, mommy. Mommy, welcome. Mommy.
Mommy, they want to know if we maltreat the children so as to arrest us.
Yes.
Please, so. Don't arrest, oh. We are maltreat. Go get the papa.
The different faces of illiteracy.
Officer, please forgive her. She can misunderstand you. It's because of education.
Chief, we put it to you that with the amount of children that you have, there's bound to be maltreatment, maladjustment, mistreatment, exploitation, abuse, neglect, disuse, misuse, overuse, underuse.
Welfare officer. Are you not in Nigeria? Look, these children, they are our children. And we don't treat them with the kind of English you are speaking.
Yes.
They are. In fact, that does it. That settles it. We are going to interview these children one after the other. We will determine parentage, welfare, and well-being. Keep quiet! Anyone found guilty will be taken to the Children Appellate Court. Oh yeah, all of you, assemble. Line up.
Yes.
No lobbying is allowed. And need I remind you that child abuse is a serious offense. Any of you found guilty will be jailed.
Caro, you still with your back of my phone. Eh, Caro?
That clown and his rats.
Who is this?
He's our brother.
Yes.
Police!
Children, tonight is asparagus soup.
Children, my week, I will cook stockfish, fresh fish, and bush meat.
Keep quiet. So you give them rats to eat. Policeman, arrest this woman! Arrest this woman before I open my eyes.
But Oga, if you arrest her, who is going to take care of our children?
We will take all our children to the motherless babies.
Number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of Commotion. Preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number station.